CSU San Bernardino faculty and staff have played a crucial role in my life as a student because they're the ones that see the best in me when I don't see it in myself. They're the ones that mentor me, help me, inspire me, and encourage me to seek new opportunities. The hardest part about transitioning to college was really learning what college was. What I enjoy the most about working in computer science, specifically in robotics, is I'm able to bring these inanimate objects to life. I'm able to construct, to program these different pieces, put them together, and bring life to this thing that didn't move before. In order to help my sisters, to advise them, I try to be the best role model that I can for them. I try to show them that hard work pays off in the end. The types of projects that I hope to work on in the future revolve around robotics, more specifically prosthetics, so biomechatronics, being able to help these people who are limited in their capabilities, to help them further advance and to help them seek the goals that they have for themselves. That's something that I want to be a part of.